Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I have an unboxing because I have received this parcel here from MOGIC. So MOGIC are a brand new UK stockist of POPMART figurines. If you didn't already know, I do collect POPMART figurines. I have some Bobo and Coco, I have the Yuki ones, I have a couple of the MOGIC ones, I have some Puckies for example. I've got a whole collection going on now, and MOGIC sent me over a bunch of them to open up on camera today, which I'm so excited for. I will leave their website, everything like that, down in the description because to be honest it's so good. Like honestly, I was shocked to see how many POPMART figurines and different ones and everything they have on there for amazing prices, probably the cheapest I've seen around in the UK, and you don't have to pay customs fees like you do sometimes when you import them, because trust me, I know, I'm just so happy that there's a new UK stockist in town because that's probably where I'm going to be spending all my money. But yeah, I'll leave their website down in the description. I don't make any money off it, they haven't paid me or anything. They did gift me these blind boxes of course, but as I am a huge fan of them anyway, I couldn't say no because I'm just a POPMART lover, and to be honest I'm going to be shopping on there quite a bit, I'm not going to lie to you. So yeah, I'm just going to get started now and show you what's inside the blind boxes that I received. So first up to unbox I have the Pucky. So I've got the horoscope babies, the space babies and the sweet babies. Just got one of each because I wanted to really see the difference between them. The pictures on the side of them look absolutely amazing, so I'm really excited to get opening and see which one I get. I always like to look at this before I even open it and see which one I would love the best. So I love the Aries one there, the Virgo, I am actually a Virgo myself, Sagittarius, oh my goodness, so cute. The one that I least like the look of is probably the Taurus one, just because it's so black. I don't have a lot of black going on in my room, so that's that one. For this one, I love the look of that Love Ranger there, oh my goodness, that's so adorable. The Octopus Alien, love that, just love an alien. And again, probably the least favourite is probably the Pyramid one, just because it has a lot of black in. And then for the sweet babies one, oh my goodness, I can't even pick, I love them all. The rainbow cream one looks amazing, and again the Choco Poco one probably is my least favourite because it's the darkest. But let's open these up and see what's inside. To start with a horoscope babies one, just open this up. I'm being very careful not to look at the card because that always tells me what it is. So I'm just going to place that over there. And inside, it's not the black one. Oh my goodness. Hold on. It's the Virgo baby one, and I'm a Virgo. Oh my goodness. That couldn't have gone any better. I love that. To be honest, that was the one I was most wishing for because like I said, I'm a Virgo and it's adorable. I love that. Oh my goodness. Is this little plastic bit supposed to be there? It's got a little bit of plastic around its neck. I'm not sure if that's supposed to be there or not, but look at that. Oh my goodness gracious me. Does it not come with a little flower? Where's your flower? There it is. Look at this. Oh, I love it so much. This is why I love doing the little guessy game before, because sometimes it just comes true and you get what you want. But yeah, look at that. So adorable. Next I have the space one, so I'm going to open this one up. Let's open the foil bag. Who do we have? Who do we have? Who do we have? Who do we have? Oh, it's like a little star. Who is this? Just says star baby. Oh, how is it this cute? Oh my goodness gracious me. Look at that. I am loving all the sparkles and stuff on the belly. There's even like a moon and a star kind of in the eyes there, which is so sweet. I adore this. Oh my goodness. These match so well. Look. So cute. And last but not least, from the sweet babies, who have we got out of this one? Oh, that bit just tore off. I love the pink and the blue there. Oh, gorgeous. Let's see who we have. Who do we have? Oh my goodness, I do not know. Oh my goodness, it's a marshmallow. Wow. That is gorgeous. I didn't even see that one on there. Oh yeah, it's there. Look at that with the little marshmallow around the neck. This is really apt actually, because it's like little marshmallows that I've been making for Pig and stuff. Love this card. Oh my goodness, look at all those pastel colours. Love that. These are the 3 Puckies. These are actually my first ones I've ever got, and I am so happy with them. I love them so much that I am definitely going to be buying more of these for myself, just putting them up on my shelves and stuff. Oh, I adore them. Seriously, I couldn't have got better. I love them. Absolutely love them. So next I have the Yukis to open up. I do have a couple of these in my collection already. I actually want 5 of these so I can put them on my acrylic shelves, like a shelf of them as well. So I want to do a Pucky shelf, a Yuki shelf, and one with tapiokas, and I think that these will be perfect. So yeah, hopefully I don't get any duplicates, but we will see. I just love these so much. These were my first ever kind of POPMART buy. So let's open these. So fingers crossed it's one I haven't got. Oh, it's not. Ooh, who is this? Wow. Look at those colours. That matches that marshmallow Pucky so well. These are just my aesthetic. Honestly, I love little things like this. Like little weird things. I love faces like that, as you guys know. Oh, that is gorgeous. I don't have this one. I'm so happy to have it. Oh my goodness. I think this might be my favourite Yuki that I own so far. So that is the first one. And obviously they come with the little cards. So here's the card for that one. Super holographic, just like the box. Now for the second one. Who is it? Who is it? Oh, wow. Look at that. It's like full of like beads. It almost looks like it's full of like glass or ice or something. Who is this? I do not know. Milkshake Pink. Oh, I didn't do the little guessing game thing, but I mean, they don't really have the pictures on anyway, so you can't really tell. But here's the 2 that I got. Look at those. I love them. I'm speechless. They are so adorable. Look at them. They match my nails out really well as well. Love those. So last but not least, I have the Dimoo Life University. I want to call it Dimoo. That's how I want to call it. I've never opened this one before, but I really liked it because I like the little look of like the faces and stuff on their hairs or hats or whatever's going on there. I just adore it. So I thought, actually, I want to buy one of these and just open it up and have a little look. I'm loving that. This is how I usually find new types of blind boxes. I usually like buy like 4 or 5 different ones, and then I open them up and see which ones I like the best, like the feel of and that sort of stuff. And that's how I find like my best ones. So yeah, I'm really excited to get into this one. A brand new one for me. Let's go. I didn't say which one I would prefer. Probably this little pastel dude, or even this baker because he has a little baguette. That's adorable. Least favourite. I kind of like them all. Probably not the sneaker one because I don't really like the colour orange that much. Orange used to be my favourite colour. And then maybe the dark one, but I don't know. We will see. It's green. Very green. Oh my goodness. Little photographer. Look at this. He even has a little camera. Oh, I love that. And then look, that's what I was talking about. Like there was little faces on their hair. I'm safe to say that's hair now, isn't it? Because he's got a hair on as well. But yeah, look at that. All the little details are so cute. Look at his little face. Like it's very rare that you get like little boy figurines. I find you get like loads of little girl ones, but then little boys. Oh, I love this little dude. That is so cute. Look at his little face. His eyes are super shiny on there as well. So again, this is a great way to kind of like test out new ones, because on like MOGIC as well, they have so many different types and you can get them delivered from one place. So yeah, look, there's this little card. Oh, I love that. This little card's really cute actually. It's like proper themed around it because it's got a little camera bag, little photo and stuff. Look at that. I really like it. Even though he's bright green, I think he's going to have a good spot over next to some of my cactuses. So yeah, I can't wait to put him up on my shelves. Oh, Love it. And that is the end of today's video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Let me know which of the figurines you loved the most. Have a little look on MOGIC's website. Let me know which one of the collaborations with POPMART is your favourite. To be honest, I know that there's a Gudetama one out at the moment which looks amazing. I've been on there and I've seen that they have the Bobo and Coco. Oh, I just love Bobo and Coco so much, and I'm really hooked on those Puckies now. So to be honest, I'm probably gonna buy a few more of those. I need a few more to finish off my shelf, so it's basically a need more than I want, right? So yeah, thank you so much to MOGIC for sending me out these blind boxes today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you very soon for another video. Bye.